Do you want to make money online but have no idea how? Don't worry, I'm here to assist you. Have you ever heard of print on demand? Today, I will discuss how to make money online with print on demand and how complete beginners can earn $100 to $700 per day without experience. This video will help you understand what print on demand is, the rules of print on demand, what items sell the most, and which websites can help you set up a print on demand store. Money Time is the place to be if you want to make money online and are looking for a legitimate channel. Click the subscribe button and don't forget to turn on the notifications to be notified from similar content in the future. Let's get into this video. Print on demand is a method of working with a supplier to customize white label products with your designs and sell them on a per-order basis under your brand. You don't have to pay for the product until you sell it, so there's no need to buy in bulk or stock up on inventory. With print-on-demand services, your supplier handles everything after the sale, from printing to shipment. It only takes a few clicks to fulfill an order once you've set everything up. Here are a few ideas how artists can make money online. One of them is selling print-on-demand products on your e-commerce webshop. Print-on-demand enables you to put your photographs, cartoons, graphics, calligraphy, or anything else you've made on a blank product. As a result, you have a unique, desired product that is not seen or sold anywhere else. It is a win-win situation. Your customers receive one-of-a-kind products that they adore, and you profit as an artist. Okay, that's great, but where do you begin? Here. You're already in the right place. Continue watching to learn why it's worthwhile to start a print-on-demand business and how to sell artwork on a variety of products to customers all over the world. First of all, let's see how print-on-demand service works. Print-on-demand is a business model in which you sell customized products on your storefront without stocking them. It's similar to drop shipping, but with your own custom designs. Assume you have an online store and use a print-on-demand service. When a customer orders from your store, the print-on-demand supplier receives the order and notifies you. The print-on-demand supplier handles the printing, packaging, and shipping of your product to your customer. As easy as that. Print-on-demand is a more environmentally friendly option than bulk manufacturing because it produces only what is ordered. That is, as an artist, you make money while not harming the environment with excess waste from unsold products. There is no risk of slow-selling items because nothing is produced unless a customer orders it. In theory, you could have hundreds of products listed on your storefront if you wanted to. If you want to start your print-on-demand business with a very good supplier who does most of the work, I've linked Printful in my bio. Printful is the best print-on-demand supplier. Start your print-on-demand journey in a good way via the link in my bio. Make sure to curate your product selection after you have a basic understanding of how print-on-demand works. Consider going into an online store. You see a design on a hoodie that you like and think it looks great. Then you notice it on towels, bumper stickers, pillowcases, and leggings. Suddenly, the design is no longer appealing, and the products appear to be low quality. You want your work to be the center of attention. It must have a high-end appearance. That is why curation is the best option. You can define your compartment by creating a product line with specific types of products such as eco-friendly apparel or mugs. For example, if your products are mainly wall art and your designs are fairy tale drawings, you can position your store as the go-to for decorating nurseries, kindergarten facilities, or children's hospitals. Let's now discuss some unique print-on-demand product combinations to sell. Posters, canvas, and framed prints are examples of wall art. Earrings, necklaces, and bracelets are examples of jewelry. Bags include fanny packs, tote bags, and backpacks. Leggings, tanks, and shorts are examples of sportswear. Of course, you can sell anything that interests you. Just remember that your product selection should make sense to your customers. It may be challenging to integrate selling infant bodysuits and men's leggings into a unified product line. Aside from keeping your product list clean, offer a limited number of product colors. Yes, people enjoy making choices, but you have to be wiser than that. Don't provide your customers too many color options to make their decision-making process easier. For example, suppose you sell print-on-demand t-shirts. Printful sells a shirt with over 40 color possibilities to assist artists like you in selecting the colors that will work best for a design. In general, you can give up to 10 color options for a product, just don't offer 2 hues that seem identical, such as silver gray and ash gray. Bottom line is, don't be scared to limit your clients' alternatives. You'll assist them in making informed selections, which will result in more sales for you. Then, fine-tune your art to work for product designs after you've curated your product selection. As an artist, you most likely have some ideas for designs that you believe will work well for print-on-demand products. The next step is to tweak the designs so they print exactly as you intended. First of all, create designs for specific print locations. Each product has its own regions where you can add your own designs. Some products, such as phone cases, have limited personalization options, whilst others, such as leggings, can be customized all over. After you've created your designs, match them to the appropriate products. Printful's Mockup Generator, a tool that allows you to insert and alter your design as you go, makes it simple to visualize how your product will look. So, what makes the Mockup Generator so fantastic? It will immediately tell you whether your corgi but pattern looks nice on your phone case or whether you should replace it with a single corgi but close-up. It is entirely up to you to use your creative freedom. Experiment, but remember to stick to the design file rules. At the end of the day, concentrate on developing designs that you'll want to wear and admire. Your customers will enjoy them much more as a result. Now, price your things with a profit margin in mind. This is where you select how much to charge for your products as an artist in order to generate money. You will only have to pay after an order is placed if you sell print-on-demand products. When a customer purchases from you, you will receive 2 transactions. The first is that your buyer will pay you the retail price you established. Another scenario is that the print-on-demand provider will charge you for the product cost as well as fulfillment. The good news is that you have full control over your product pricing. Printful guarantees the highest quality product and printing techniques, ensuring that you do not overcharge your customers. But what is the price range for making a good profit while keeping your product costs reasonable? The following are the most prevalent product price ranges for printed goods. T-shirts range in price from $20 to $40. $33 to $60 for hoodies and sweatshirts. Phone cases range in price from $15 to $30. Leggings range in price from $50 to $80. Bags range from $20 to $60. You now understand how print-on-demand works and have some product and pricing ideas in mind. Next, create an online store, link it to Printful, and establish your online presence. When it comes to creating the proper atmosphere for your online store, stay true to yourself. If you're an artist who enjoys bright colors, use them in your e-commerce website design. If you live a minimalist lifestyle, you should also adopt a no-clutter design for your storefront. The most important aspect to consider when designing the look of your store is your merchandise. Make them the focal point of your store. Put your products in front of your clients' eyes, and they will be more likely to purchase them. Once your store is up and running, make sure your customers have an easy experience browsing it and purchasing from you. Finally, spend effort promoting your store on social media channels. There is an entire world of social media marketing to discover and learn about. One piece of advice is, don't sign up for every platform you've heard about. You may wind up spending more time monitoring your accounts and not generating enough sales or exposure from them. Only build your brand on channels that your target audience uses on a daily basis. Consider advertising and sales campaigns after you have completed the key marketing activities. Here are some marketing ideas to get you started. You should market your items as ecologically friendly by stating that they are made on demand and that there is no waste of unsold products. Customers respect brands that care about the environment. You can also offer free shipping on orders that exceed a certain threshold, such as $50. Customers are more likely to purchase additional things if they can save money on shipping. This is the end of this video, however, it is only the beginning of your path to generate money as an artist through print-on-demand. You understand the game and have insights into product selection, design creation, pricing, and marketing. It's now simply a matter of getting to work. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Press the subscribe button and make sure to hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from my channel. Thank you for watching till the end. Let's meet up again in the next video.